Hey guys, I'm going to use my Lego
Advent.
Advent calendar today because it's Christmas. Let's start with day one. I open it. It's stuck. Oh wow! Okay, let me do this.
Let's show them what you get.
I got Kuya Max.
Let me take a video first of him.
I got
It's not visible though.
I got Kuya Max, guys.
His name is Kuya Max. But it looks like a
He
baby.
knows how to ride that. Kuya Max knows.
What do you call this? Show it. Yung hand mo. Where's your hand? Where is the the yellow thingy that he's riding?
Kuya Max
Oh, it's
is
orange.
ready to fly. His name is Kuya Max.
How do you gonna play it?
More days coming soon. So every day, I guess we're going to vlog about this.
So you're gonna open one. Tomorrow you're gonna open the two. Where's the two there? It's where? Can you point? There it is. What do you think? What's your guess? Is it a character again?
Don't know.
Or
We got
let's
Kuya
find
Max.
out tomorrow.
We got Kuya Max.
Mm-mm.
We got Kuya Max.